Hey everyone, how are you guys doing? Welcome to channel updates, I believe. There's basically the same stuff I do. Uh, D&D now, we got one more paint. It's the big purple worm, but it's going to be converted to something else. For actually game on Thursday that we start painting later on after CSL today. Then hopefully Thursday, I'll be working on the War Mommy. And then after I do with the War Mommy, that's gonna be like a three-part video for the War Mommy because this is just too big just to paint all of it in just one video. This is just too big. So this is like one part, and I get the legs and the arm and the shoulder be another part. Then we'll have it assembled. And I got a file for a Warlord Titan version of a Gundam. So I'm gonna have a Gundam version too of it as well. So that's gonna be really cool to do for it as well. So that is the plan for that. Then we are going to be after that's done. Then I might go back to some more Nurgles. We have more Nurgles now due to my birthday, and I'm happy. And 10th edition will be coming out pretty soon. For it, tomorrow's video is going to be wellness. Hobby wellness for Thursday. So I'm gonna be talking about like your wellness check and how hobbies will help a lot along way and how it helped me out in a long way for that as well. If you guys have it, subscribe, like, and share. If you do like the video, check out our Patreon Discord as well. Um, and then we're gonna I make a video for Moid. I just got the May file late. So I told him hopefully the first week of June, I'll get some Voltans painted for him. So we got some more Voltans that we'll be painting. It'll be out probably Tuesday or Thursday of next week because they're very small and they're very easy. And I'm just gonna paint the armors orange. Because I don't know too much of Voltan. I don't really read I have never read the Codex for Voltan for it. I'm waiting for 10th edition as well. That might be pretty cool to use, especially for Kill Team. If I ever play Kill Team with anyone, but we're having an actual big army for it for Kill Team, so that'll be kind of cool too. And we're gonna do some abominations. I think you know, this is for Nurgle. They have ones for Chaos, but I got the 130 printed one version of it for a Nurgle. So I have like a whole bunch of those, and I might have to buy a box of Flag Space Marines. I am gonna print the Primarch for the Nurgle army, and I buy another additional 10 boxes of resin. Once Sunlu has on sale and see anyone else needs resin as well. But we got a whole bunch of paintings done. This is probably the most I ever painted so far within 5 months because I am digging through them very fast and it's very good because I have a lot of gray minis. Now they're painted minis. I gotta organize my shelf downstairs. We'll make a video about that too. And also, I'm probably gonna get some storage devices for putting all these minis in a box and labeling them and putting them aside for whenever you play the game. That you get them out. Oh, skeletons. There's like varieties of skeletons or undeads and so forth as well. So that's probably going to be another video that I'm going to make down the road once we get more money for that. But we're gonna change the primer up. I'm not gonna use the homemade primer anymore. I'm gonna use the Leho primer. I want to test out different companies' paints and primers, and we're gonna get the Speed Paint 2.0. I heard a lot of mixed reviews on it. The original one that Army Painter has, I like very much. But if 2.0 gets more color and you can use metal speed paint for it, that would be great. I do love Citadel's contrast paint as well. I use it up a lot. for it, but I don't. Their skin tone for the contrast paint is very dark, so I want to try like paler version of it because a lot of my D&D minis need to have like a paler skin tone, like whitish gray tone for that. And yeah, it is one of those things that uh, it's very interesting to see how 6 months and we got a lot more subscribers, and I'm very happy and very thankful for everyone that are here to support me for this video. And this is actually saving me mentally, and a lot of my mental health is actually helps out a lot. Just focusing on this and making video, doing something and doing something more productive for it as well. But I do want to get a camera, just basically just be making a video, meet my 3D printer going in speed, high speed and stuff like that, and see and it will like to watch that like a ASMR type video for it. But let me know if you guys want to do that. That link down, comment down below on it. And there's a lot of Patreons that I just are looking through. It's just that a lot of them are cost between $4 to $20 per Patreon, so it adds up a lot and it costs a lot as well. So I have to be very, very careful on which one to get, which one that I want, and stuff like that. So I do the STL parts video on Tuesdays and Thursdays for you guys, so you guys have an idea what's out there, what's good, what you guys are looking for. There's a lot of Kickstarter out as well, and that costs a pretty penny. For a lot of other reasons. But I'm gonna buy some more paint brushes because a lot of my paint brushes are going bad, especially the thin tip ones. Because I use a thin tip a lot. A lot of people I use like the fat brushes to paint their minis. A lot of my minis are ridiculously small, especially for detailing. So I need to use a very thin one, and especially for the eyes is like 0.0. And my hands are very shaky, so I need to get something to stabilize my arms because I gotta do it like this. I put the eyes in or on the table with both hands and putting it down. And I want to get like a new camera system for here as well because this camera, the Razer, I think it's like 1080, but everyone's doing a lot more 4K videos. I can upscale to 4K, but it's not really true 4K for that as well. But yeah, it is one of those things that I am looking forward to. There's a lot of lists, and I wish I had a big donor to help me out with it, but it's something that you're gonna have to pick up and try it on your own for it. I talked to a lot of people on Discord and on social media, liking the content, wanting the files for it, stuff like that, and do my best to help them out. Where to go and look for it as well, because some reason they don't like me posting links, especially on a lot of the sites on social media for it. It's very weird, to tell you the truth. But other than that, um, that's all I have. It's pretty much the basic updates. There wasn't much comments. I'll probably do a comment read next week. If I want at least like 50 or so comments before I read them to you guys. But other than that, it's a very cold summer. I'll tell you that. It's not as hot as I thought it would be, but we got the Super Nino in South Carolina. We're getting a lot of rain. Want to help everyone stay dry and warm, and have a great day. Subscribe, like, and share if you guys haven't. Check out our Patreon, Discord. I'll talk to you guys next time, guys. Peace out.